Welcome, Tattoo 18. If you're watching this video for the first time, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. This video may help you get some fresh ideas, especially if you're a true tattoo lover or a beginner tattoo artist. Today's video is special. We're working on a finger tattoo session, and as you know, finger tattoos are small in size, but big in pain and meaning. Our client today is not new to us. This is his second visit to our studio. Earlier, he got his first tattoo, a weed design done here at SWASTHIK Tattoo Studio, and he was completely satisfied with the result. Because of that trust and comfort, he came back again, this time for a full finger tattoo. He decided to tattoo all his fingers, and each finger has its own powerful meaning. Kang, symbol of confidence and self-respect. Dad, pure love and gratitude. I, protection and awareness. Number 7, luck, faith and personal belief. Finger tattoos are always challenging. The bone area is very close to the skin, there's less flesh, and the pain level is naturally very high. Usually many people hesitate or stop midway, but today, this client showed real courage and confidence. He stayed calm and strong throughout the session. Respect for that mindset. For this tattoo, I used a 3-round liner needle, which is perfect for clean and sharp finger lettering. I used dynamic triple black ink for deep, long-lasting black tones. To control bleeding and make the skin smooth, I applied A and D ointment, which helps the needle run smoothly and reduces skin stress during tattooing. Despite the sensitive area, the entire tattoo was completed within just 40 minutes. Clean lines, proper depth, and controlled movement are very important in finger tattoos, especially for long-term healing. If you love finger tattoos, or if you're planning to get one, this video will give you real-time insight. And if you're a beginner stage tattoo artist, this video can help you understand technique, needle choice, and skin handling. For more finger tattoo ideas, professional tattoo videos, and real tattoo experiences, subscribe to Tattoo 18, like this video, share it with your tattoo-loving friends. Stay connected, stay creative. This is Tattoo 18.